Hey everybody, if you're doing a renovation and you want to save yourself a little bit of money, here's a good hack, especially if it's a bigger renovation where you're doing new lighting and all of that. A lot of times you'll have these guys right here, they're them old boob lights. There's a glass dome that goes over here. So all I did was take the middle part down, the stud that holds it on. I took it down and I'm gonna snip the wire that holds it up, and then we're gonna come in, see where they connect in with your wiring is right here. Check and make sure you ain't got no power on them first, but just snip all of them off, right? And here's the reason. So here he is, right? All we're gonna do, peel off that insulation from the back, and look right here. See that guy? It's a little tab that if you squeeze him, like so, you can pop out that socket. See him? You was gonna throw him away because these, they're junk. But you can wire him back up if you're spraying texture or if you're painting or anything like that. You don't care about this. You're just gonna throw it away anyways. But now you can wire a light back in and you're not getting spray all over your brand new, finished light, whatever you're putting in. So save yourself a couple bucks there. Plus you can use it on the next job, So anyways, that's a little quick tip to save yourself some money. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep making dust.